Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this gorgeous Range Rover Sport Autobiography Dynamic in Byron Blue. This is a 4.4 V8. It's next due for a service in February 2022. As you can see, you have 22-inch silver finish alloys and red brake calipers, giving the car a real sporty appearance. You have a powered tailgate, which is perfect if you've got your hands full. Plenty of space there in the boot. You can also put the seats down if you do need more room. An electrically deployable tow bar, which saves time and effort attaching one. It can also be hidden away when you're not using it. Carrying on round the car and going to the front, you also have keyless entry, so I can just pull the handle and the door will open as long as the key's nearby. Illuminated Range Rover script tread plates and a gorgeous leather interior. A sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice to open on a sunny day or just for some fresh air. A cooler compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. Heated and cooled front seats, practical for winter and summer, along with heated seats in the back. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you have a rear view camera, making parking and reversing so much easier, along with a 360-degree surround camera. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect to your phone, along with eco data, which tells you how well the car's been driven, and you can also see your history. You can control your tow bar from inside the car, saves you even having to get out. And you also have ambient lighting with many different colours to choose from, and you can also adjust the brightness or you can turn it off altogether. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning, cruise control and blind spot monitor. All of these are really useful when driving along the motorway. A heated steering wheel, definitely a must on a cold winter morning. Memory seats, which is practical if there's several people driving the car, and a Meridian sound system. This car's done 8,232 miles, and you can also change the layout depending on your own preference, whether you want 2 dials, 1 dial, a full map if you're using the sat-nav, media or driver assistance. Stepping back outside the car, that was a stunning Range Rover Sport. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.